morning, welcome back to the channel. This little video will be my planning and my actual trip for 2 weeks down to KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa, as we call it here, KZN. I am going away for 2 weeks to go visit some very close friends of mine. Today's little intro video, or today's little clip, is all about me applying for my leave application and getting my leave approved. It is the 7th of June today. I received an email back to say my leave has been approved for the 2 weeks from my plant manager. So I will be getting on the bus on the 2nd of July, and I will be coming back to Pretoria on the 16th of July. So my leave has been approved, as you guys can see. There it is. It's been approved by my plant manager. So yeah, now second part of the planning is to go and buy my bus ticket, get my bus ticket sorted out, and then wait for the time to pass for me to go on vacation leave. Good morning. Today is the 10th of June. I went and bought my bus ticket for my round trip to KZN and back to Pretoria. I've got my ticket in hand. Now I am all set to go on vacation. Unfortunately, they didn't allow me to film the whole process for buying the ticket at the shop, at the supermarket. So I had to come down back to the office, quickly ask my boss if I can slip out and just go buy my bus ticket and come back. And I've got my bus ticket in hand. Now I'm all set for my trip. It's 7 a.m. I'm on the bus on my trip to Natal. I'll see you guys when we get there. Noise, guys, but this is our stop. It's called Montrose in the Free State. This is our first pit stop for the trip. I do apologize for the wind that's blowing like crazy, but I'm now going to get myself a coffee, something to eat, and I'll see you guys on the next one. This is lunch. Cappuccino and a burger. This is my lunch for today. Just want to let you guys know I have reached my destination. I made it to Pietermaritzburg, KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa. Hilton. 2 weeks vacation. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. It's Saturday, 16 July. I'm on my way home from KZN to Pretoria. The bus was 2 hours late this morning, so we're on the bus eventually. We're on our way back to Gauteng. I made it home back into Pretoria last night, just past 8 p.m. The bus was delayed for 2 hours. I was supposed to be here just past 6. But like I said, we were delayed for 2 hours. But we made it home. Sunday morning now, woke up. Now I'm rested and ready to start work on Monday again. Just want to say thank you, Dawn and Cammy, for having me for those 2 weeks. I enjoyed it very much. It was a blast visiting you guys. And Mom also says thank you for having me and looking after me for those 2 weeks. Thank you so much yet again, guys. And we will definitely do it again. Have a visit. So yeah, that was my trip to and back from Hilton, KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.